What we're looking at today is the Refuge Medical Bare Minimum 2.0 IFAC. You know, in this day and age, it's a pretty good idea to have something like this. I have things like active shooters or automobile accidents, anything like that. You'd want to have something to keep in your car or keep in your range bag. If somebody has a negligent discharge at the range and gets injured, keep in a go bag, something like that. Or if you're a hunter, that'd be another good idea for you. Keep something like this with you. Anyway, let's get a look inside and see what it's all about. Refuge Medical likes to source everything from the U.S. when they can, including even the pouch and all the accessories. So let's stand it up here and take a look here. Okay. First thing you're going to notice is the patch on the front, but you'll also see it's got a cat tourniquet on the side, attached there with the little bungee strap. So you go. And you got your trauma shears on the other side. They just slide right in. They're North American Rescue shears. Everything in here is really high quality. So let's go ahead and take a look on the inside here. Should be able to open this up one-handed. First time I'm opening this pouch, so it is really tight. That Velcro's on there real good. So you might want to open it a few times, kind of get it to where you can get it open one hand in case you're injured and only have access with one arm. So you just pull out right here with this red handle, give it a nice tug. That frees the internal contents. Then you just pull right here, and everything's nice and organized. So let's take one of the new features of the 2.0 has versus the original. It has this little boo-boo kit here. That is new for the 2.0. Got wipes, Band-Aids, all stuff like that. Just, little for bumps and scrapes and scratches. But let's dig into the meat of it and all the good stuff. All right, so here's everything laid out from inside the pouch after the boo-boo kit. Got a compressed gauze right here. Got a little more gauze right there. I got some gloves. Got a Sharpie and some medical tape. Got your quick clot. Here's burn shield dressing. Got your halo chest seal. It's ventilated. So if you got a puncture wound, you want to use that. And here is your emergency trauma dressing. Got an eye cup if you've got an eye injury. Some steri strips. And I just noticed while editing, we've got a small typo in the upper left-hand corner from that list. But I didn't have that file saved, so I'm not going to be fixing that. Sorry, don't feel like retyping all that. I'm going to go ahead and get all this stuff repacked back in the pouch, and then we'll go weigh it and see how heavy it is. It's a good size package. All right, so let's go ahead and put that bare minimum on the scale and see what it weighs. Got our trusty Accutech out. Looks like it's weighing in at 1 pound, 11 ounces, just over. And 770 grams for everyone else. So another little thing about Refuge Medical, they're part of Grindstone Ministries. They're affiliated. And these guys go out and go to disaster areas like after hurricanes or tornadoes and basically act as first responders, going out there and giving aid out to everyone else, and usually getting there before the slower moving government agencies get out there. So they're out there doing good work, and get out there and support them. All right, so that kind of gives you a good overview of what to expect with the bare minimum 2.0. Refuge Medical's got all kinds of other stuff. They've got about every kind of medical item in multiple different kits that you can think of. So definitely go check them out. I've got a link down in the description for an affiliate code. It helps out the channel. And yeah, that about wraps it up for this one. So if you're not already a subscriber, please go ahead and subscribe. If you like what you saw here, please like and share it. And appreciate any comments down below. So we'll be looking forward to seeing you in the next video, and got a lot of things in the works. And hope everybody enjoys it, and see you next time.